You guys, these Boston cream cupcakes are so good. They're everything you love about a Boston cream pie, only in individual cupcake form. Ooh, they're yummy. First, you're going to want to cream together 2 egg yolks and 2 whole eggs along with 1 cup of sugar. Next, bring butter and milk and vanilla to a simmer in a saucepan and then slowly add this mixture to the egg and sugar mixture. Bring together flour, baking powder, and salt, whisk it together and add it to the mixer. Fill 18 cupcake wells, approximately 3/4 full. Bake the cupcakes and then it's time to make the pudding filling. Add the filling to a piping bag or zip top bag. Cut the cupcakes in half and squeeze about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of filling in between each cupcake. Whip together this easy chocolate ganache and you're ready to frost the cupcakes and serve. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.